Hey beautiful people, today we have a declutter video and I really want to try to bring down this drawer, maybe take out like around 8 to 10 primers at least, and then some of my lip oils as well. So we're gonna go through a lot of these products together. So let's go ahead and get started. First off is this little one that's in the corner that you guys can't see. It's right next to this. So we're gonna go through these. I think this one off the bat is one that I'm going to get rid of. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, this has like a weird smell to it. I could never get used to it. I really do like the formula, but they have another one. Wait, this one right here. The watermelon one smells way better than this one. This is the blueberry one. So I'm going to get rid of the blueberry one. Let me see where I'm going to put this. Okay, next to me. I'm going to keep this one. I really like the In Beauty one. These glazes are so nice and just juicy, and they smell really good as well. My Wonka one, I still really like this under like neutral lip glosses or anything like that. This one by the Beauty Crop, I don't think I've even really used this. Maybe I should. Oh, this is one of those that turns pink like to the lips. So I'm going to give this a go. And then these are brand new from City Beauty. I really love these lip oils as well. So I'm going to keep those. So out of this little thing, I only took out one product. These are all brand new from She Glam. I did a lip swatch video if you guys want to go watch that. Then we have this right here. This one's pretty old. This is by Trust Fund Beauty. It's a lip oil. You can tell that I've gotten it mixed in with like a whole bunch of other lip products. It doesn't even have a smell anymore. I don't even know if it had one to begin with, but I've used it quite a bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. I want to say this is old, this lip oil from Florence by Mills. I don't know how long I've had it, but it's even like it's separated in there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. I'm trying to be good about getting rid of stuff. These from She Glam are rather new. These are like lip masks that I unpotted and put in here. So I've been using these. I need to do better about using them, to be honest. But I put them in here. This is like the Glam Light Scooby-Doo one. I just feel like I use them more when they're in this type of form than in a pot, so especially like lip masks. So I feel like I'm gonna get better use than leaving them in my bathroom and not using them. Then these are new from She Glam. This one from Lottie London is a really good dupe. It's like really cute. Look, it turns into like a little heart. This is Drugstore, and I feel like this is a really good dupe for the Benetint. But I actually own all the Benetint's, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. And then it has a clear gloss here on the other side. You can see that I got it all dirty from putting it on top of the other one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this. And then I have these hydrating oils that I really like. I kept the two that I use the most, which is the mango and lime and the watermelon from Ciate. I don't even know if Ciate is still around. I feel like I haven't heard much from them lately. Then this one from Artist Couture, I want to say is pretty old as well. And I used up quite a bit of it, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one as well. Really nice lip oil. Most lip oils are like really straightforward, just very hydrating to the lips. So out of those, I took out 4 products. So it looks way better now. Now for the hard part, these are primers. Okay, we're gonna start in this little corner right here. This one from She Glam is a really good dupe for the watermelon dewdrops from Glow Recipe. Then I have 3 of the Smashbox. This is the OG one. And then this one's Illuminate, which I've used quite a bit of it. Like I've indented this like crazy. It has like a beautiful gold glow for the skin, which I have more olive skin tone, so I feel like that goes really well. And then this one is so milky and nice and hydrating. You know what? I'm going to keep all 3 of these. I'm going to keep all 3 because I do really like the quality of Smashbox. And next we have this one from Pixie. I think I can get rid of. This one has like a really pink tint to it, and it's harder for me to use. Also, like it just keeps getting like messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one. It's a pretty pink glow, but I feel like that doesn't go as well with my skin tone. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This as well is pretty old, by Wander Beauty. You can tell that I've used quite a bit of it. I want to say I've used down to here. This is an illuminating face oil. Very nice and illuminating. Sorry, you guys can hear my vacuum. But very, very glowy to the skin. Also have used the crap out of it, so I'm good with letting it go. The She Glam ones here. I don't need all three of these shades. So this one's neutral. This is like a gold neutral, and this is very peach undertone. I think I'm gonna let go of this peach one and then just keep the two that best suit me. So this is the shade Light Warm Peach, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one and keep more of these olive toned ones for my skin. This one by Pixi I really like. This is glowy. This one by Tarte I also want to say I really like. I try to do this to a lot of products so that way I know how long I've kept it. But let me see. That is pretty. It gives like a subtle gold sheen to the skin. I'm going to go ahead and give it another go, and hopefully I'll be able to use a little bit more. This one from Benefit is rather new. I have this little sample from Saie, which I really like. This one just came in the boxy charm and is really nice as well. So I'm going to put these together. Okay, so hopefully, yeah, this looks a lot better. And then this one back here, I've used a ton. I really enjoy it as well. This is by Laura Mercier, the Pure Canvas Primer, and it's a gorgeous glow as well. This one's like a light peachy shade. And as you can see there, also gives like that golden hue to the skin. So I really love that type of glow to the skin. Okay, then we're going to start here. Whew. This one, I have quite a few of these Dr. Brandt ones. Let me see if I can grab them all. Where are you? Yeah, I think these are the three that I have. I'm going to only keep one. So this one is very good to mattify and to help with pores. I feel like I don't have that many issues with pores or oil. I do have more dry, mature skin, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. These two, I want to say one is more liquidy than the other. Let me see. I want to say it's this one, the Luminizer. This is the backlit primer, and I want to say this is a little bit on the thicker side. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'm going to take the more lighter one. This is the blue packaging, and then this is the backlit primer. So the backlit primer, both of these give like a gorgeous glow, except for this one's a little bit more liquidy and this one's a little bit more thicker. So I'm going to keep this one, probably give this one to my mom so she can use it. They both give like a beautiful luminosity to the skin. I try to tend to use more lighter things underneath foundation, especially now. The older I get, I just feel like it looks better the thinner, more like the thinner the formula, the better underneath my foundation for the most part. I really love this Fenty one, so we're going to keep that. And then here I have the Professional. I feel like I have quite a few of these. Let me pop them out from back here. Oh my God. I have, is that it? 4? Okay. So, this one I can get rid of. This is matte. Again, I have really dry skin. I don't really like the way matte kind of sits on top or underneath my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Then we have 3 of the Professional. This one's the Hydrate. This is the original, and this is the light. I'm going to go ahead and give this to my niece. This is the OG one, but this is a little too mattifying for me just because I'm older. I do feel like even here, like you can tell, look, if I take off all the air, you can tell the one that I reach for the most is the hydrating one. So Definitely gonna keep this one. And this one's almost filled completely. So I think that out of all of them, the one that I love the most is the hydrating one. So that's the one I'm gonna keep. The light one, I don't know. I just don't feel like I reach for it enough. This is very, you know, silicone-y, really nice if you're into, you know, like that blurring kind of aspect. But I feel like on my dry skin, this just does not look as nice. So we're going to get rid of that one as well. This I just bought recently. Really like it. Very hydrating. Vitamin C in there. I love this right here, the In Beauty Face Glaze. So we're going to keep that. This is the Ciate Vitamin Boost Plumping. This is nice, but I just own way too much. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one as well. I'm just really trying to cut down. This one for Dior is like on the thicker side as well, but I want to say it right. Yeah, it says that it has skincare as well. And it's supposed to be like a blurring. Yeah, you can tell it leaves your skin super soft and it smells really nice. So I'm going to keep the Dior one. She is pricey, so we're going to keep her. So now this drawer looks a little bit better, I want to say. Let me see if we can kind of, I don't know, squeeze these in here. Okay, so at least now I can see everything. This right here is by Danessa Myrex. This is one of those universal blurring ones. You can see I made an indent in here. It's nice. I don't really care for like popping my fingers in here. I probably should have from the beginning used a brush to get this out, but you can tell it's gotten like super dirty. And yeah, I gave it a good go. So we're gonna get rid of this. Then here, this one's nice, the Too Faced Hangover. I don't know. It's like more on the watery side. I'll use it up. This one by Hourglass I really like. This one by LYS is really nice as well. It's very similar to the Milk Hydro Grip. I really like this one from Tarte as well. So I'll go ahead and keep all three of these. So that one's okay. And then back here, I have two more. So we have the KVD Locket, and then we have the Pure Lease. The Pure Lease has been in my collection for a hot minute now. I do like it. It's a little bit on the thicker side. It's really good like as a BB cream for like every day underneath or by itself. Like if you're just gonna go out and you just need like a little bit of a glow to it, you can wear this. So yeah, I do like this, but I don't know. I think I'm going to try to see if my mom wants to keep it. If not, I'm going to get rid of it just because I do really need to bring it down. And then last, the Locket. This was recent. It's very hydrating as well. It's like, I don't know. It has like this kind of gel, kind of putty kind of consistency to it. I'm going to give it a go, maybe do a review on it. And then if not, if I don't like it, then I will get rid of it. So basically this is what we're left with. I'm going to leave. I'm going to organize some of these because I just feel like now we have some room to do so. Here are all the primers and lip oils that I decluttered. And this is what the drawer ended up looking like. I feel like it looks more organized. I can see everything. Nothing is sitting on top of each other anymore. I took out 11 primers and 5 lip oils. So I feel like it looks way better. I'm proud of myself for just being a little bit more cutthroat this time around. And yeah, so let me know if you guys want reviews on anything that I have here. If I haven't done a review, like a dedicated review on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and my socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.